Cleo bought a refrigerator at a 25% special discount. The regular price of that refrigerator is $360. If there is a 6% sales tax applied, how much did Cleo pay for the refrigerator? Let's start by figuring out what is 25% of 360, the regular price. Of is a word in math that means to multiply, so let's change our percent into a fraction, 25 out of 100, and multiply it to 360. In this case, multiplying by the fraction form of the percent will be faster than the decimal form because we can cross out these two zeros and be left with 25 times 36 divided by 10. So now let's do that math over here, 25 and 36. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Placeholder 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we'll add these together and get 900. So now we have 900 as our numerator over 10. Once again, we cross out zeros and we're left with 90. So $90 is the discount. That is the amount that we're going to take off of the original. And taking something off the original is the same as subtracting. So we need to subtract here. 0 minus 0 is 0. Borrow 16 minus 9 is 7. So our sale price is $270. Now, B is not our correct answer because we still have to apply the sales tax. So now we need to take 6% of 270. Once again, we represent as a fraction 6 out of 100 times 270 because we can cross out these two zeros, and we're left with 6 times 27 over 10. Now we do 6 times 27 over here. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So we have 162 over 10. And anytime we're dividing something by 10, we are taking the decimal point over here on the right and moving it to the left one decimal place. So this will be $16.20. That is the sales tax. Sales tax is something that we pay, so we need to add that back on to the price. So our sales price is $270 plus $16.20. Make sure your decimals are lined up before you add. 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 decimal 6, 8, 2. So our final answer is $286.20, making A our correct answer.